Greetings, ACT specialists. So we're just going to quickly review and take a look at how to sketch molecules. So if you want, sketch this yourself and then compare with me afterwards. All right. So again, I have this huge molecule here and I'm a little bit confused. It looks like there's a lot to draw. But the first thing that I want to do is I want to kind of ignore this coefficient for now because I know that whatever this is, I'm just going to need to draw two of them. That's what that 2 tells me. It tells me that I have 2 of these molecules. All right. Now it looks like the first atom is the central atom, Fe, so I'm just going to sketch that right here. So I've got Fe as the central atom. Alright, wonderful. Now I'm going to take a look at what's inside my parentheses, this NO3. Okay, and I'm going to think about, okay, well how do I sketch that out? I know there's at least one NO3 in here. Well, I've got N, right, because of this, alright, just one N. And this 3, the subscript applies only to this O. So I'm going to draw NO3. Okay, great. So that's all good, but now I realize, wait a second, I finished the NO3, I finished my Fe, but I've got this 2 here. And this 2 tells me that I have 2 of this entire thing inside the parentheses, so I need 2 of those NO3s. Well, I've got one NO3 here, but I need 2, so it makes sense for me to just sketch another NO3. Okay, great. So what I've done so far, I've drawn the Fe, I've drawn one NO3, and now I've drawn a second NO3. Again, it doesn't really matter the order right now because I don't really know how these atoms attach to each other, but that's fine. I just need to go back and do one more thing, and that's to realize this 2 here means that I have 2 of this entire thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that and draw one more FeNO3 2. So Fe, I'm just drawing the same exact thing. Okay, great, and there it is. That's my 2 molecules of FeNO3 2. Now this one, I realize, okay, there's no coefficient, that's good, so I'm only going to need to draw one molecule, so that's excellent. So I'm thinking again, well, what's my central atom? Looks like the Al, so I'm going to just draw Al. I've got 2 of those because of this 2, Al2, 2 of the Al. And in my parentheses now, I've got this SO4, SO4, meaning 1, if I want to think about that, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. But wait, I'm not done yet. I realize I don't only have one of those SO4, this subscript around the parentheses, so I know I've written over it a lot. SO4 this applies to the entire thing inside. So I'm just going to put anywhere on here, really, another SO4. So how many SO4s do I've got? I've got one SO4, 2 SO4s, and now I need to draw one more SO4. So one more right there. And there we go. I've got Al2, SO4, 1, 2, 3, SO4, 3. Okay, great. How'd you do?